David Diaz diving, June 24th. Installed 2 1.5 shaft sinks, 2 R5s on the rudders, 2 R4s on the trim tabs. The boat still needs the 2 single bolt diver plate sinks for the backup.